Alright, bro, here's the controller board that I was talking about. And literally all it is, positive and negative from one motor, positive, negative from the other motor, positive and negative from the batteries. And then the signal wires from channel 1 and 2 of the receiver go in here. And then I ran a step down converter that converts the voltage from the LiPo batteries down to 5 volts to power the receiver and the servo that manipulates the kill switch, which is hooked up to channel 3. And that's really all there is to it. It's not as complicated as it might look.